Hi everyone, this is Devin from Bundle Monster, and today I'd like to show you the art of stamping with this Nail Stamping 101 tutorial. The first step is to make sure you have all the needed items to stamp. Paper towels, acetone, cotton pads, stamper and scraper, cleanup brushes, your stamping plate, creative art polish, and regular polish, base coat and top coat. First, remove the protective film from the plate. Start with completely dry painted nails. Then, select an image and apply a thin layer of stamping polish. Take your scraper and swipe at a 45-degree angle. Now act quickly and grab your stamper. Once you've checked that the image has transferred, maneuver and apply it directly to your nails. Then repeat the stamping process for the rest of your fingers. Remember to clean your stamper, scraper, and plate between each use. If you'd like to know how to properly clean your tools, refer to our tips and tricks section later in this video. Using your brush, clean up the excess around the cuticle area with acetone. Remember to clean your brush on a paper towel after each use so you don't reapply the polish onto your skin. For the last step, make sure your design is completely dry. Now perfect your look by applying top coat. Congratulations, you've just completed the perfect stamped manicure. Stay tuned for our detailed tips and tricks section on basic stamping techniques as we address the most frequently asked questions. What are the best scraping techniques? Depending on your design, you may find it more useful to scrape in different directions. Some popular ways of scraping are swiping up, swiping down, and swiping to the side. What are the best stamping techniques? It's important to find what is most effective for you. The most popular techniques are the up and down or the rolling method. It also depends on your stamper. If the stamper is on the firmer side, then the rolling motion is more effective, versus if the stamper is on the softer side, then the direct up and down method is more efficient. How do I clean my plate, stamper, and scraper? Pure acetone or acetone base polish remover is the most effective for cleaning your stamper, scraper, and plate. It is strongly suggested not to use enriched removers that have oils in the formula because it will leave a residue on your tools that could affect your stamping outcome. Another quick tip for cleaning your stamper is using tape or a lint roller to remove excess polish. How long should stamping take? The whole process from placing polish onto the plate to transferring the image to your nail should take you no longer than 15 seconds per finger. The longer you wait, the more time you give the polish to dry out. What is the difference between regular polish and creative art polish? The bolder image on the right uses creative art polish, which is designed to have more color pigmentation versus the image on the left, which is semi-transparent. However, an opaque regular non-stamping polish will often work as well. Do I have to stamp over a base color? It's not necessary to stamp over a colored polish. You can stamp on top of a clear base coat for a negative space manicure. Why can't I pick up the image with the stamper? Possible reasons. If the plate is not properly cleaned, polish buildup can occur in the crevices. Another reason is over-scraping. If you over-scrape the image too many times, it could cause the polish to dry out. The solution is to make sure you quickly scrape and do a thorough cleanup with acetone on the stamper and the plate to make sure it's completely clean. Why is the image not transferring to my nails? Perhaps you waited too long between scraping and stamping. By now, the polish has dried. The solution is to quickly pick up the image and stamp your entire nail bed. I've created the perfect stamp manicure, but when I apply top coat, the image is smeared. Here is the solution. Wait at least 10 minutes before applying your top coat in a 3-stroke method. The goal is to gently glide the polish over the design without your brush digging into the image, causing it to smear your beautiful artwork. For some inspiration, check out these fabulous manicures. Well, happy stamping! Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed your first lesson. Subscribe to the Bundle Monster channel as we continue our ongoing series in the art of stamping. And remember to hashtag Bundle Monster so we can see all your stamping creations. Thanks guys, and good luck!